Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you a website. The name of the website is Pixlr, and with Pxlr you can edit pictures right in your browser without Photoshop or GIMP. It is an easy to use tool that doesn't require installation, and it is free unless you need more feature. You can work in your favorite browser or download the app of your phone to edit picture without any complicated tools. So let's check this website out. Let's go to pixlr.com, and here you can see the name of the website is pixlr.com, and here you can see more about it. It is a photo editor and animation design. So welcome to Pixlr, the #1 photo editing and designing tool. Edit photos, create stunning uh, designs right in your browser or your phone or desktop for free. Start from empty canvas, a photo or video, or select one of our professional crafted templates. So from here you can select design, edit project, or visual assets. So down here you can see Photomash Studio by Pixlr, and you can design template from here, and you can also do animation in here. You can also remove background, uh, and you can also do picture color maker, and here you can also do filters and effect, and you can also start for free. So don't forget to check this website out, and have a great day.